up, guys? It's your girl Danny, creator of Danny Did It. Welcome back to my channel. If you are considering replacing your carpet with some brand new fresh carpet, or possibly even laying some LVP down to save some money on your home renovation, you're going to want to remove that carpet all by yourself. In today's video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy and efficient it is for you to remove the carpet by yourself. And if Danny did it, then you can too. You're going to need a small pry bar along with a hammer to remove the tack strips located underneath the carpet. If you have a wooden or plywood subfloor, I also recommend having a pliers and a flathead screwdriver to remove some of the staples that are going to be located underneath that carpet padding as well. Oh my gosh, and the most important tool I think is the utility knife. This most certainly, you want to make sure you have a fresh clean blade before you start with removing the carpet, and you simply just want to score a small section of the carpet with that utility knife straight from one edge to the other. Now there is an extra layer of padding underneath the carpet, so you have two options. You can try to score through both layers of carpet and padding at the same time, or you can go ahead and remove the layer of carpeting first and then go back in and remove the layer of padding. In this case, I removed the top portion of the carpet first, still leaving that bottom layer of padding, as you can see. So once you've scored the full row, you can simply just remove the carpet by pulling it up. I always recommend just rolling it just so that it's easier to remove and lift and take out of the room. And like I said, it's best to work into small sections, just ripping down that carpet, rolling it up and removing it. It's easier so that you're not trying to work with the one whole row of the carpet, and you're just gonna continue with that process until you have made it all the way through, pulling up every bit of carpet in the room. And of course, you have the option to pull up the carpet and padding at the same time as well. In this room, I wanted to keep that transition strip that meets the hallway flooring in the carpet, so I was careful to keep my hand propped here on the transition while I just slightly remove the carpet from underneath that transition, trying to make sure that I keep that fully intact. Has fully been removed, you'll notice the tack strips that completely surround the full perimeter of the room. That is what you're going to be working on next. Notice that the padding layer is simply secured by some duct tape, so you don't even have to use your utility knife to remove it. You can simply lift up the tape and begin rolling up the padding just in the same manner that you remove the carpet. I had to cut in some footage from a DC project I was working on because I wanted to show you guys how to use that small pry bar and hammer to remove the tack strips from along the perimeter of the carpet. So again, everywhere you see these tack strips, you're going to just use that pry bar and hammer to lift up the tack strips. And please wear gloves because they are very tacky and you can prick your fingers. If you have a concrete subfloor like this floor, then you're going to see a lot of holes. You're going to see some areas where the concrete chipped up when you were removing the tack strips. That is completely okay. That's going to be no issue with laying down either some brand new carpet, some hardwood floor, LVP, laminate, whatever you decide to put down. Those little holes are not going to be an issue. I do want you to take note that after removing those tack strips, you're going to see some additional nails where they actually nail down the tack strip. You're going to take this last final step using the back claw portion of your hammer to remove those nails. You just want to take a look all around the floor and make sure that you're grabbing all of those nails before moving on to install your new floor. And that's it, guys. Fairly simple and easy. Just a couple of hand tools and you'll be able to get the job done. I need you to just take a step back and say, I did that. because you did. And if Danny can do it, then you can do it too. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.